Hi, today's topic is SaaS EDI versus on premise EDI. What should be your choice for EDI integrations? The EDI market is seeing a trend where SaaS EDI platforms are proving themselves against traditional on premise EDI platforms. Here are some insights that will be helpful while picking the right EDI solution for your business. Let us look at the differences between SaaS EDI and on premise EDI. In infrastructure, SaaS EDI systems are accessible on the cloud. It doesn't require any on premise resources for setting up EDI. On premise EDI requires on ground infrastructure and extensive resources for setup, such as developers, hardware, and workspace. The maintenance for SaaS EDI is taken care of by the SaaS provider. On premise EDI has to be maintained by in house experts or EDI vendors. SaaS has limited customization for individual requirements as it is distributed as a complete product. On premise EDI can be customized with the help of in house developers. SaaS EDI only charges for onboarding and transactions, and on premise includes the infrastructure cost, human resource, and maintenance along with purchasing an EDI software. There are some major advantages where SaaS EDI stands on top and appears to be built for the future. The biggest advantage is that SaaS EDI is supported by API. It can provide real time validations, which means faster integrations, and SaaS EDI is better accessible and secure as compared to on premise, which lacks visibility that API can provide. If you're considering picking a SaaS EDI solution for your EDI integrations, here are five things you should look for. First criteria is compliance requirements, whether the platform can fulfill the compliance of your trading partners. Second is implementation time. How much time will it take to make you EDI capable? Third is EDI volume. It should be able to handle your EDI as you upscale. Fourth is customer support. Support is what many EDI solution providers fail to provide today. So look out for the one that emphasizes their support. Visit our insights to learn more about SaaS EDI or schedule a demo where we would love to show you how Zenbridge works. Happy integrations.